Guys, I have some breaking news to share with you in today's video regarding Bitcoin, regarding the other cryptos, which I'm going to be discussing in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're only $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 5,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing at 5,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And if you love cryptocurrency, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, Bitcoin dominance keeps going up every single day, taking up 46% of the entire market share right now for cryptocurrencies. Guys, right now we're technically in Bitcoin season, and that's why we're only seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum pump massively these days. However, it will be time for altcoins here very soon, whenever there's enough of a cooldown corrections period for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which there always has to be for any healthy bull run. That's when we'll see billions of dollars start to pour into the altcoins. That's why you want to be ready. You want to be properly positioned for when that happens. Not to say you won't see some huge pumps for the altcoins during the Bitcoin season. However, you will mostly see it whenever we do have that cooldown corrections period, which could literally happen any second now. So you want to get in while these prices are still incredibly low on the altcoins. Guys, why is Bitcoin pumping so much these days, and Ethereum? It's simple. It's because the Bitcoin ETF that we've waited so long to be released is finally getting approved here very soon. That's why so many whales, institutions, and companies out there are putting a lot of their money into Bitcoin right now, because they know that it's not stopping. When the Bitcoin ETF is approved, it'll literally allow it to be traded on the stock market. For the old school investor, the one that was too scared to get into cryptos, to then purchase that ETF, inevitably pouring billions and trillions of dollars into the crypto market space, only causing the prices to skyrocket, and for the rest of the altcoins to pump up along with it when that happens. And that's exactly why a lot of the top crypto experts out there, including myself, conjecture for Bitcoin to easily hit $150,000, $200,000 by early 2022. When you get my hidden trade signals on Patreon, be sure to look out for Bitcoin and Ethereum, because those are the ones right now that are not stopping. Not to say you shouldn't invest in the other altcoins, however, you want to get your portfolio exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum right now as well, more than ever. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, if you deposit $100 or more using my link, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, when altcoin season hits, like I said, it could be any second now, we will literally see a lot of our top favorite altcoins 5 to 10x in a very short period of time. So you want to be ready for that. So inevitably, if you are invested currently in Bitcoin and Ethereum, I will be letting you guys know when we get to our cycle top, when I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well, and we can start to move our money into the altcoins if you haven't already. Guys, Floki Inu literally being controlled and pumped by Elon Musk's tweets of his dog Floki. Now nearly a $1 billion market cap, it is continuing on an uptrend. With Floki Inu having a marketing campaign with billboards literally in Times Square, this is one of the most stable coins that I've seen come out of nowhere. The developers are working on a wider use case for Floki, and I'm excited to see where it goes in the near future, and I'll be keeping you guys up to date on this one as well. Now, you don't want to expose too much of your portfolio to something like this, but to have between 1 and 5% of your portfolio in a risky coin like this, which could give you high reward, it's not a bad idea. Guys, you generally want a dollar cost average, only putting about 10% of your overall investment in each and every time that I call it the dip, so that you're making money on each trade on average in the long run. Guys, some huge news. An article came out titled, Bitcoin gets the green light for price discovery, with an almost no supply on the supply exchanges, on exchanges above 59K. Resistance is thinner than ever, while data leaves the market guessing about what will happen when Bitcoin revisits $64,000 all-time highs. With Bitcoin and Ethereum having massive supply shortages, it is inevitable for their prices to continue to go up. Guys, because they burn coins, because they made these coins deflationary, they won't stop going up over time. Sure, they'll have their cooldown corrections phases. However, the supply and demand will become so high, they will literally be very rare and difficult to even buy at some point on the exchanges. And guys, because there's still a lot of bears that are betting that Bitcoin will go down, even though we know there is no chance of it, we will inevitably have a short squeeze coming up here very soon for Bitcoin. These bears are going to have to buy back their position as bulls and then hopefully break even with their fingers crossed. So you want to be sure you're positioned very well for the short squeeze as well. There's another huge article came out titled, Polygon can hit $3.50 in Q4. As Matic's 20% weekly rally triggers bull flag setup. Matic retested the bull flag's upper trend line as resistance Friday after its price rose up by 30%. And because we're seeing a bullish flag and pennant form on the Polygon charts right now, a lot of top experts out there, including myself, are expecting for Polygon to nearly double in price just within this bull cycle. We keep buying this on my Patreon at the dips when I see that they're steep enough, so you don't want to miss out on this one as well. And when we take a look at the crypto charts, as we see Bitcoin continuing to go up, guys, sure, we hit the bottom a few times right here, which only gave us a very bullish symbol to know that we were headed straight up from there, allowing us to call out the dip just before this massive uptrend. Guys, sure, we're trading sideways a bit. However, after each bullish flag and pennant that we see, when we trade sideways a bit, we keep going up. We had a bit of a cup and handle form right here, which was very bullish. And of course, as I called out, it went straight up from there as well. Now we're trading sideways a bit again. It wouldn't surprise me if we went straight up again. So you want to be ready to sell when I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell. And of course, have some cash on the side to buy when I call out the dip. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, if you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 5,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which I'm going to be doing at 5,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.